If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, don't rush to the checkout page. First, make sure you're using the best available offer, because you could save more on your hosting purchase. Hostinger is currently offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. So here's what you need to do. Click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose the hosting plan you want and continue to checkout. You don't need to find a separate coupon code. You don't need to copy and paste anything. And you don't need to manually enter a promotional code. The additional discount is connected to the special link and is applied automatically when eligible. Now, don't be surprised if you don't see that extra 20% discount on the first pricing page. Hostinger shows its regular promotional pricing there. Continue to check out and look at your final order total. That's where the additional discount is applied when eligible. Before you complete the payment, make sure the discount has been reflected in the final price. And if the website is showing prices in a different currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page, choose your country, and the pricing will update automatically. Now let's talk about which Hostinger plan you should choose. If you're creating a personal website, starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, the premium plan is a good option for most beginners. Depending on the current promotion, it can include a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can get many of the important tools needed to launch your website from one platform. If you're building an online store, managing multiple websites, or expecting your project to grow, consider the business plan. Business provides additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups are useful because your website can be restored more easily if you accidentally delete something or an update causes an unexpected issue. The CDN can also help deliver your website content efficiently to visitors in different locations. For larger projects that need more resources and performance, you can look at the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for websites that require additional performance and may include features such as priority support and a dedicated IP address, depending on the current package. So the easiest way to choose is to think about your website first. Premium is a great starting point for blogs, portfolios, personal websites, and small businesses. Business is better for e-commerce, multiple websites, and growing projects. Cloud Startup is for websites that need additional resources and performance. Another feature worth checking out is Hostinger's custom H-panel. Instead of managing different services from different dashboards, you can manage your website, domain, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, security settings, and other hosting features from one place. And you don't need advanced technical knowledge to get started. Hostinger also provides AI-powered tools that can speed up website creation. The AI website builder can help generate a starting website based on your project details. After that, you can customize the design, edit the content, change the images, and make the website match your brand. Now, before you complete your purchase, compare the available billing periods. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, a longer-term plan may provide better overall value. When a 48-month plan is available, compare it with the shorter options and look at the total price rather than only the monthly figure.